Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to show you guys my new digital planners that I just released today and tell you guys about some of the new features that are in these planners, and I'm just like so excited about it. I will also show you, hold on, Face ID. There we go. Oh yeah, I was watching the show. Jane the Virgin, guys, really good show on CW-TV, and it just came back with season 5. Alright, so I want to show you guys the new planners. So let's go to the first one, Monday to Sunday, Navy digital planner. This is what the cover of the planner will look like. So you guys can see it is like navy with silver detailing and pattern. So it's very pretty. A lot of people said they wanted a navy and silver, so I did that. And the other one is turquoise and gold because that's what you guys voted on Instagram. That's what you guys said you wanted. Now this planner, you guys could see there is no rings here because almost everybody said no rings. So I wanted to make it like how you guys wanted it. Up here, there's a new tab. So it's front index goals. Finances is the new one. You could put in like a savings tracker there, a budget inserts. You could do, I don't know, just like anything really. You could just do like an expense tracker, however you want for finances, and I thought that was like a great tab addition. It's also what you guys wanted. There's a stickers tab and a notes tab. Then this side has 6 blank tabs, but if you look at my shop, there is a listing where you could have your tabs personalized and customized, so you could actually tell me what you want on these tabs, and I will send you your planner with those custom tabs, so then it's like totally fit to you. Down this side you have the months, so it's January through December. So go to the next page. Next page takes you to the index. So like I said, you have the front page like this. This is just a regular page. Then you could click on the index, which takes you here. I thought this index layout was very cool because not everybody is going to fill in their tabs. And if you're not getting custom one, it is a little tiresome to fill in your own blank tabs because you have to put it on every single page. So you can write it in, but you're going to be writing it on every single page throughout your planner. I mean, you do it once to set it up, but you know what I mean? It's still tedious and tiresome. So I thought this index page was cool because you have like the tabs here. You could write in what the tabs are here. And then you could like be taking it to here. You could write a little description of what's included, or just write the tab number thing again here. And all of these are linked. So these flags are linked, these tabs are linked down here, and then you still have the top tabs that are linked. So I could like click on this and it'll take me to that page, for example. Let's just go back here. So these tabs in the middle work, the flags work, all hyperlinked tabs. Next page, this is going to be your goals tab. So here, like the first edition planner, you have the leaving behind section here and the looking forward to section. But what's new in this one, the second page of your goals planner, goals tab, is the vision board. So you could put in like photos or whatever you are looking for or working towards. This is where you could like refer to your goals. I also just really like this because, and especially in the beginning of a year or even just at the end of a month, you could like write down what you want to leave behind, what you're looking forward to, and just like things like that. And then the vision board I think is great because you could like put in photos of like your dream house that you're working towards, and over time how you're gonna get there, you know? So I thought that's great. Your finances tab is blank. You put in whatever inserts you want. Your stickers tabs, the stickers come pre-cropped. So there's 2 files when you purchase this planner. You have the file, or 3 files. You have the PDF version of just the planner without the pre-cropped stickers. You have the version with the pre-cropped stickers for Goodnotes. And then you also get the pre-cropped stickers separate in case you just want to put them into like another planner, or if you don't want to use the stickers tab in your planner. But these, when I say pre-cropped, you just take this tool, make sure it's on images. You could just highlight any of these and you can move them around. They're already pre-cropped. You could highlight, you could copy, you could take a screenshot, resize, color, convert, whatever you want to do. But they are there. You don't have to go through that whole thing where you have to make a screenshot and then make a copy. You kind of just could highlight it, copy, and then paste it wherever you want in your planner. The next section is the notes tab. You have a dot grid page. You have a lined page. This one is new. You get a grid page, just a grid. and that's new in this edition, the second edition. And then you also get a blank page. So you have all those pages in the notes page. Now what you could do if you wanted any of those pages in like your finances or goals or whatever, you could copy them from this page because all the tabs are still on this side, so it's still all fine because these are all linked in the front as well as these tabs also. So then next what you have is your tabs down here. Now a different change that I made is that when you click on the tab, it takes you to the goals and the birthdays and events instead of taking you to the calendar page. Now I did this because I think it's important to always see your goals and kind of just remember your why and what you're doing on a daily basis is like important, and it's like where you're going in life and what you're working towards. So I thought that's like a nice reminder to have there. I also made this page wider, or I don't know if I would say wider, but like I guess kind of wider, because like this whole section is wider than what it used to be, so you have more writing space. The balloons are still there for birthdays, but I think I made them a little teeny bit smaller. I found that I didn't need that much balloon space, so I thought I would make them smaller over time, and I moved this like label January goals or whatever in the middle of the page instead of at the top, and I think it looks pretty there. Now the next page, or if you just click in the middle here, takes you to the calendar for that month. So you fill in your calendar here. You saw that in the stickers you have the numbers, so you could just copy and paste them throughout. One of the changes in the calendar spread is that there is 6 boxes, because sometimes the calendar like day might start on like a Sunday and then it goes all throughout, and then you still have some days that go into the 6th row. But I did it because every single page in the beginning here, so if I click right here, you guys see how it turns gray? Do that again. You see how it turns gray? That links to another page. So when I just click on it once and tap, it takes me to this page. So these are all like weekly linked to that page. And I could also click back in the middle and it'll take me back to that calendar page, which I thought was like such a cool feature, and I'm just loving it so much. But every single one of these is hyperlinked to a page, and you could put in like a weekly insert there or whatever you want, and that's exactly what I'll be doing, is putting my weekly insert pages there. I found that in the other planner, I was just like constantly like flipping, like trying to find that current day that I was on, and I could never find it. So I thought like I would include those links here because I needed them too. So I figured somebody else is also going to need them. You could also see that without the rings, you have so much more writing space. It's like a little bigger and everything, so everything's a little bit bigger. But all these pages still fit 8.5 by 11 inserts, so any inserts that you already have will fit in this current planner as well. So now let's go to the next one. Same thing with February. You have your February goals, birthdays and events. You could click on here to be taken back to the calendar page like this. You could click on any of these to be taken to that weekly page, and so on. So that's like the whole entire planner. Isn't that so cool, guys? You also have the flipping tabs, like my other planner. And so you have June, you could flip through, you go to July, and now it turns to the next section. And then I could just click here and go to the calendar page. So whatever it is, it's very easy to navigate, and I just like looking at my goals. Oh, hey, I want my calendar, and so on. So one of the other cool things is that you could choose your calendar start date. So there's 2 versions of this planner, for example. You have the Monday start date here, and it ends on Sunday. Or you also have in the other navy planner. Now the other one you could also choose has a Sunday start date and it ends on Saturday, so you guys could see the same color scheme and same layout, just the calendar pages are different. And I did it this way because now these are hyperlinked to that kind of page as well, whether it's a Sunday or a Monday start date. Now I already thought of another way I could make that even better in the 3rd edition, but I'm not going to talk about it because that's going to be something that will come in my 3rd edition. I'm like trying to like keep track of things and whatever, and like what I would like included. If you guys have any other suggestions, please do let me know. I do take you guys' feedback and I include them in any planners that I make. So I think that's super helpful when you guys tell me what else you would want in your planner to help it fit your needs, just like I included like the finances and everything like that. So yeah, so that's the Sunday to Saturday. You have the Monday to Sunday. I will show you guys like one of the inserts that I put in here for when I was taking like photos and stuff. So, or not inserts, but I will show the insert in a sec anyway. But this is like what my calendar page turned out to look like. And I think it's very pretty. I wrote in my dates here still. Then, hold on, for example, if I click here, this takes me to that week. And what I did here was I kind of wrote the numbers here a little grayed out because that was still part of March. But I know that then it was Friday and Saturday part of February. So if I still click here in the beginning, it takes me to that weekly spread that I have here. So this is just like an example, and this is one of my inserts that I have, 8.5 by 11 size, and they fit, you know, perfectly inside this planner as well. So now let me show you guys the other one, which is the turquoise and gold version. So here, again, you could also have a Monday to Sunday start date. You have the front index, goals, finances, stickers, and notes. What you will notice in this gold version, or turquoise and gold, is that it has like a gold background, whereas the navy blue one doesn't, just because I didn't like how it looks with the background, and I tried it. I tried like a silver, I tried a navy, and I just wasn't liking it with the navy color scheme. I don't know why. So I took it out completely, and there's just no like additional background, as you guys could see here. It's just like the marble background like this one also has, but just with some gold. So that's one of the little teeny changes between the two, but they're still same edition because they have the same features. So here, if you go to index, you're taken to this page for these tabs, and they're color coded the same way as here, so that it all looks the same, and you can just click on any one of these and be taken to that page. You have your goals page also, leaving behind, looking forward to, and then also your vision board. You have your finances tab where you could include anything. You have your stickers that are also pre-cropped. And then you have your notes pages. So you have the dot grid, the lined, the grid, and the plain paper. And then, like I said, these tabs, you could make anything. I will actually be putting in a new planner into my Goodnotes because since I am offering custom tabs now, I'm actually going to make a new one for myself with some custom tabs that I want. Before I didn't do that, and I kind of just labeled mine the way that anybody would have to label theirs, just because I like using exactly what you guys have, because if we're on the same page, I could see like what struggles there are, or like what improvements I can make, and things like that. So, but here, I'll be able to make my tabs custom as well, because I'm also offering that to you guys. So anyway, so there's all those tabs. You could click on any of those and you'll be taken to that page. You have January also. Like I said, these link to the January goals and birthdays and events pages. I could click here, be taken to the calendar. I could click on here and be taken to that week, and then click back here and be taken to back to the calendar, and so on. Same thing with February and March. I don't remember which one is that I started using, but I guess it's not this planner. Also, at the end of every kind of days, so every like March will have like the 6 days that link to the weekly inserts, but then after that you have like regular pages. So you have like a dot grid, a lined, a grid, and then a plain paper that you could just duplicate throughout kind of like that month or whatever. But you don't want to duplicate this and put it in June, for example, because the tabs are still going to look like this, and then June tabs, obviously June is over here, and so on. So you want to duplicate it after. That's why every single one will have those pages afterwards, which I will show you guys here as well. So you have the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that link for the weekly inserts. Then this one should be a dot grid. Yep. Then the next one obviously is aligned, grid, and plain, and you want to duplicate those throughout that month if you're going to use those that way. So that is, which one is this? The Sunday start date? No, Monday to Sunday start date. And then as you also have the Sunday to Saturday start date as well. I think maybe this one's the one that I started using. Oh, I did. This is my February, or maybe not. No, maybe I didn't use this one. It's like I don't remember which one I started using, but I tried not to use it too much, or I guess I did. I tried not to use it too much only because I want to do it on camera, and I changed some stuff since I first started playing around with this. So after I created the first one, I have changed the file a little bit more, and then I created like this one, so then this is like the repeat again, like a new one version of it. I think the one that I started using was right here. I think this is the one that I was using. Let's see, March. Oh yeah, see, I started filling in stuff here. I didn't use this calendar, but I was first playing around with like a Sunday to Saturday start date with an end of Monday to Sunday, but that was just like too much in one file, and it ended up being like a too big of a file, so I took it out. But I was using this for a little bit. I included like this page. You guys can see I put in a notes page here, but then now if I click on, nope, not that one. Which day did I start using this on? If I click on this week, I have a weekly spread already, as you guys could see. So this was my current weekly spread today, and here I am on the 31st filming a video. So there is that. I also want to show you guys the new flashcards. So they come in a mint color. Let me just go to the home page. So this is the flashcards. These I would actually recommend using this way, but you could also just use them the other way. So you could use them this way, you could use them the other way. Either way works though. Okay, so anyway, here you could write in the topic or whatever it is. You go to the next page, and here you have a index page. Now here you could click on any of these numbers and be taken to that index card, which is really cool. You could write in, I don't know, a vocabulary word or whatever it is you're trying to learn and remember. You could click here, flip to back. So here it says 37. Flip to back, it still says 37, but now here it says flip to front and the arrow goes the other way. So you could like flip back and forth between the index card. You could also go to a previous card. So if I click this, it'll take me to number 36. And then if I click next card, it'll take me to 37. You could go to stickers at any time. You just have some flags where you could put like memorized, review again on the test, or important. These are all pre-cropped as well, so you could just grab any of these and move them around, copy, paste them throughout your kind of files and everything like that, and so on. So you could just flip back and forth between any of these. And I think this is just really cool. Like, I wish I had these index cards when I was in school. Like, this is just so amazing. Like, I was the queen of index cards, and I really wish I would have had this. Now this is the other version. It's the blush pink version, and again, this is same layout. It's just not mint. It's now in blush pink. But you could go front and back. You could go next card, front and back, next card, front and back. You could go back to the index page, and then, oh hey, I want to learn about this. I'm gonna go to card number 46, and so on. So those are all the new things I have in my shop. I hope you guys are subscribed to my newsletter. If not, definitely subscribe for the next time I have a new release as well, because I always include a coupon code. I will have a coupon code down below for you guys, also for a limited time. So if you guys want to purchase either the index cards, flashcards, or the planner, there's a coupon code down below for you guys if you guys are interested. And I think that's going to be it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!